if you want to add or if you want to make a members chat website here with Wix, well, this one is quite easy. So you just need to install a very specific app or extension for your website. So first things first is you want to go to your Wix account here and access your website that you want to edit. Now you want to go and click on the sign site at the top right here, either in the setup or in the home page. Now, once you do open up the editor, or once you are in your editor here, you want to go to the left side. You want to go and click on add apps. And in here, you want to go and just search for the following. Now, it's going to be Wix chat. So go to the search bar here, just type in Wix chat, press enter to search for it. You should be able to see it in here, the very first one. Go and just click on it. Wait for a while in order for it to load up. But once it actually loads up, go and click on add to site and just wait for a while. Now, once it's actually added into our website, you should be able to access a bunch of things in here and also a few settings that you could set up. So as you can see at the bottom right, you now have Wix chat. Like, you go and click on settings once you do see that. And what we need to do is you want to go and just start adjusting your settings for it. So in here, you want to go and just scroll down and want to look for member chat. Let's go open it up. Click on manage member chat. Now from here, just wait for a while in order for you to load up your settings specifically for it. But what you need to make sure here is you want to make sure that the enable members chat is, or the option for enable members chat is actually turned on. So basically what it does is it actually allows you to build a community around your site where members can message each other one-on-one in group chats. So go ahead and enable this one. And that should enable member chat in your website. Now, if you want to learn more about it, like learn about building an online community here, you can go and do that. Also, you can go and learn more about login members and chat each other on their site. So if you want to see that, you can go and click on learn more here. And all the information and necessary details are going to be included in here. Like, for example, the community page for it, and also some information in here. But yeah, just make sure to click on save changes at the top right here so that you have this set up. Now, also, you have other options here like email notifications, channels here if you want to set those up, but that's about it. So, if you found, or hopefully this video was able to help you, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.